Hey there, I'm Lori Scherenbrock, and I'm here with Chris Shooker of Digital Horizons, and we're here for your next episode of What's on the Horizon. Hey Chris, how you doing?
I'm doing excellent. How about you?
I'm good. So we had another episode where we talked about Sonos, and I know we just like scratched the surface on that, but if someone's building a new home, how do they get started with Sonos?
With Sonos, yeah. So Sonos has two different ways of allowing you to enjoy music on their platform. They have what's referred to as a wireless speaker, and wireless is a little bit of a weird way to refer to it because you still have to plug it into a wall.
Sure.
They have one exception to that where they do have a battery-operated speaker that can follow you around. But in general, they require AC power. But then they use the Wi-Fi in your home for communication. That's the wireless speaker, wireless.
Right.
And then they have two particular products. One they call a port, and one they call an amp. And that's our favorite. And that, especially in a new construction environment, allows you to build in speakers into your home, which does two things. One, by using whatever kind of speaker you like, it allows you to get improved audio. But then by building the speaker into your home, whether it's in the ceiling or in the wall, you can choose what you want what we say your sound to look like.
Okay.
So if you are okay with a regular in-ceiling speaker, great, by all means. The grill's painted, they blend in. That's the standard, right? Yep. But if you don't want to see the speaker and you just want to hear it, we can do invisible speakers. We can actually build them into the sheetrock. It gets mudded, taped, and painted over, and they disappear. So under the new construction scenario, Sonos can be used to build sound into your home. You can choose what the sound looks like, as they say. And later on, you can expand the system, maybe to areas that you didn't think you'd initially want sound. Sure. Add a sound bar to your TV, put a speaker in the bathroom, speaker in the office, whatever it might be, and utilize Sonos for the whole thing, whether it's wireless or built-in.
Sure. And how does somebody get started looking into that kind of experience?
So the first thing that I recommend to people in all scenarios is wherever you're at in your building process, be thinking about what it's going to look like for you to have sound in your home. So if you're working with someone who's designing your home, whether it's an architect or maybe you're just planning things on your own and you maybe have an interior designer involved, whatever it might be, let them know how important it is for you to include audio in your home. Because even though they may not be the ones to do that, and I hope they're not, I love architects and interior designers, they're not audio people. Let them know your intent, and then they will reach out to people that they know and can trust to help you with that. There's a lot of planning. If you build speakers into your home, where does the equipment that they're connected to go? Does the place that you're putting the equipment have proper ventilation? Are you running wire to that location to provide network connectivity? A lot of those factors are things that we think about. So when you come to us and you go, hey, I have these 12 rooms that I want audio in, I go, great. I know all of the things that you're going to need to take into account, and we design systems based on that. So yeah, early and often think about this type of thing, and obviously I'm biased, but engage with somebody like ourselves. We call ourselves integrators, and let us know what you're trying to do, and we will help you craft that system that meets your needs.
Awesome. Well, that sounds like a great place to start. And again, I'm already thinking of more questions, but we'll save that for another episode. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in our next episode.